Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are studying ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. Along with that, this course is also very beneficial for all those students who are doing EDEXCEL further pure math which has the code 4PM1. Students, in the last lecture we completed the past papers on factor and remainder theorem. Today we are going to start the past papers of coordinate geometry and we will start from 2012. I am starting with question number 1 which appeared in May-June 2012 paper 1-2. Students, this topic is very important, so note down all the important points from the beginning, and if you face any problem I have uploaded the entire chapter from your course book, the Person at Excel at Math book. Go to my playlist, you will find all the exercise. So let's start with question number 1. The point P lies on the line joining A minus 1 comma minus 5 and B1 B11 13 such that AP is equals to 1 upon 3 AB. Part number 1, find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB and passing through P. This question has 5 marks. The line perpendicular to AB passing through P and the line parallel to the x-axis passing through B intersect at the point Q. Part 2, find the coordinates of the point Q. Part 3, find the area of triangle PBQ. Very easy, but the whole question depends on part number 1. Let's have a look the solution. Students, given that the coordinates of A are minus 1 comma minus 5, coordinates of B 11 comma 13, and AP is equals to 1 upon 3 is equals to 1 upon 3 of AB. So you can write this AP upon AB is equals to 1 upon 3. You can say the ratio between AP and AB is 1 is to 3. So if you draw the line, A to B, you can see that AP is 1 and AB is 3, therefore PB is 2. So you can say P divides AB in the ratio of 1 is to 2. Hope you understand. So first our target is to find the coordinates of P. So I am using the formula of internal division for finding coordinates of P. Kindly note down this formula. What this formula is, if the point divide 2 points in the given ratio, then we have to use the formula of internal division. The formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. What is m1 and m2? M1 is and m2 is the given ratio. So over here m1 is 1, m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. Okay, so A is minus 1 comma minus 5, B is 11 13. So you can say A is x1 y1, B is x2 y2, and m1 ratio m2 is 1 is to 2. So what is formula m1 x2? So m1 is 1, x2 is 11 plus m2 is 2, x1 is negative 1 upon m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2, comma, this is y coordinate, m1 y2, 1 is to 13 plus m2 y1, 2 is to minus 5 upon m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Simplify, 1 into 11 is 11, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 upon 2 plus 1 3. 1 is to 13 is 13, 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 upon 1 plus 2 is 3. 11 minus 2 is 9, 9 upon 3 is 3, 13 minus 10 is 3 upon 3 is 1. Therefore, the coordinates of P are 3 comma 1. What is our question? Our question is to find the equation of the line perpendicular to AB and passing through the point P. We got the coordinates of P, that is 3 1, by using the internal division formula. Now the equation of the line perpendicular to AB passing through P is, you can write the equation y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1. Here m represent the gradient. So first find the gradient of AB. Coordinates of A and B are given in the question. So we use the formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. 13 minus minus plus 5 upon 11 minus minus plus 1. So y2 minus y1 plus upon x2 minus x1 is 13 plus 5 is 18, 11 plus 1 is 12. So 18 upon 12 is 3 upon 2. But the requirement is to find the equation of the line which is perpendicular to AB. So we use to find the gradient of perpendicular line, that is negative gradient of AB. So negative and reciprocal. So 3 upon 2 becomes negative 2 upon 3. Therefore the equation of the line is y minus y1. Y1 here P coordinates we use because the line is passing through P. Y minus 1 is equals to the gradient minus 2 upon 3 x minus x1. That is the x value of coordinate 3 or x value of coordinate P. So this is the equation. Y minus 1 is equals to negative 2 upon 3 into x minus 3. So 3 multiplied by y minus 1, 3 ones are 3y, 3 ones are 3 is equals to minus 2 into x minus 2x minus minus 2 3 is 6. 3y plus 2x is equals to 9. This is the solution of part number 1. Hope you understand. The main point in this question is to find the coordinates of P. So I use the internal division formula, which is very helpful for you. Now let's have a look an easy part of this question, that is find the coordinates of Q. But see the situation, the line perpendicular to AB passing through P and the line parallel to the x-axis passing through B intersect at the point Q. Find the coordinates of Q. Very easy. For finding the coordinates of Q, find the line which passes through P and parallel to x-axis. Same, we have to take the line y minus y1, general equation is equals to m times x minus x1. So here the line passing through coordinate B, so we have to use the coordinate of B. The y1 value of B is 13, and you know when the line is passes through x-axis, the gradient is 0. So y minus 13 is equals to m. M means represent gradient, 0 x minus x1. The coordinates of B mentioned in the question I am writing again in order to completely understand, that is 11 comma 13. So this is x1, this is y1. So y minus 13 is equals to 0 into x minus 11. Why I put 0? Because the line is parallel to x-axis, therefore the gradient is 0. So y minus 13 is equals to 0 multiplied by something is always 0. Y is equals to 13. So you can say the y coordinate of Q is achieved, that is y is equals to 13. Put y is equal to 13 in the equation. 3y plus 2x is equals to 9. That is the equation we extract from part number 1. So 3 into y is 13 plus 2x is equals to 9. 13 3s are 39 plus 2x is equals to 9. 2x is equals to minus 30 and x is equals to minus 15. Hence the coordinates of Q are minus 15 comma 13. Answer. That's it. Now see last part of this question. Find the area of the triangle PBQ. In order to find the area of triangle, we should have the coordinates of P, B and Q. We have already found the coordinates of P, that is 3 1. The coordinates of B given in the question, that is 11 comma 13. This is B, and the coordinate of Q we just find in part 2, that is minus 15 comma 13. So we use the formula of area of triangle, that is 1 upon 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1. Here x1 y1 is 3 1, x2 y2 is 11 13, x3 y3 is minus 15 13, and x1 y1 again 3 1. So 3 multiplied by 13 first, 11 multiplied by 13, 15 multiplied by 1. 3 13 3s are 39, 11 13s are 143, and minus 15 ones are minus 15. Put the minus sign. Now multiply 1 by 11, you will get 11. 13 by minus 15, you will get minus 195, and 13 multiplied by 3 is 39. 39 plus 43, 143 minus 15 is 167, minus 11 minus 195 plus 39 is minus 145, minus minus plus 145, add 145 plus 167 and divided by 2, you will get 156. So hope you completely understand 156 square unit. So this is question number 1. Hope you enjoy and feel easy, that this topic is also very easy, just like previous topic, factor theorem. Students, today I just started this topic. There are so many questions which appeared in paper 1 with different code. Like this question number 1 came in 2012 paper 1 2. The next question is October November 2012 paper 1 and so on. I promise I will do many questions paper 1 as well as paper 2 in order to complete and achieve the whole command and get the whole command on this topic. I request all of you kindly subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.